Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Self-Sufficient Mama. Since my last video, I have been busy researching, trying to find the best ivermectin brands and researching for ingredient lists. I did have quite a hard time doing this, but I was able to figure it out. I have several brands and almost all of them have the same ingredients and they are all safe and approved by the FDA, and they are in most of our foods anyways. The good news, I was able to find ingredients lists for 4 of these brands I'm going to be talking about. And the first one is Eckvalon. Its ingredient list was titanium dioxide, hyprolose, hydrogenated castor oil, propylene glycol, and of course ivermectin. And the only ingredient that was listed as hazardous was the ivermectin itself. Same with all of these other ingredients. The next one is Agrimectin. It is made by Agrilabs. It was corn oil, polysorbate 80, apple flavor. The third one, Noramektin. You can find this one in the UK. It had hydroxyprofil. Sorry, these are some hard words. Cellulose. Hydrogenated castor oil, titanium dioxide, and propylene dioxide, and water. Last one was Zeamectin. It had propylene glycol, titanium dioxide, and also ivermectin. So these other brands are basically all the same amount. They have the same compounds and they have the same ingredients. They are just not listed on a exact ingredient list. The first ingredient on the list I wanted to go over is propylene glycol. The FDA, Food and Drug Administration, has classified it as an additive, which is in most of our food. It's generally recognized as safe. It's used to absorb extra water and maintain moisture in certain medicines, cosmetics, and food products. The second ingredient is titanium dioxide. It is used basically in food and beverages, supplements, and pharmaceutical ingredients. It is basically a preservative. Also, there's hyprolose, or also known as hydroxyphyll cellulose. These are used in the pharmaceutical manufacturing, and it's used on the coating of tablets and other pills and solid pharmaceutical products. Last ingredients is corn oil, castor oil, and of course apple flavoring. These are safe as well. I just wanted to share with you guys that these ingredients are safe. All of them are approved by the Food and Drug Administration already. And these are the ingredients in all of these products. And now you guys know which ones are safe and all of their ingredients, and that the ingredients are safe. I wanted to wish you guys well, and I hope you guys are staying healthy out there. And thank you for coming to my channel, and thank you for allowing me to share information with you. I hope to see you guys next time on the next video.